I'm going to attempt to get some footage of the wind. You're not going out there. Move. Wow, my door's all iced. If I kick it, I'll break the damn thing. Oh shit, yeah. Can't open the door anyways. But yeah. It's pretty safe to get back there. Alright, that's about the most you guys are going to see of that. Sorry, Angel. I'm not going to stand here kicking a fucking door. Alright, let's try this one. I know you're freaking out, Magic. Chill the fuck out. Okay. Same thing. That's about 3 foot snow drift. My windows are frozen over. And it's as dark can get. Wow. Alrighty then. Where's my kid? Sorry, kitty cat. Okay, that was some pretty nasty one, but remember me saying about, the whole no candle holder thing? Well, here are my Dollar Tree emergency candles, well, what's left of them. And an empty candle thing. Voila! I am an engineer. I just did that for shits and giggles.
What are you doing, Angel? I can't see the kitty cat. She's my pretty.
I know, you want to go outside, but you're not going outside. Alrighty. Okay. Power went out, obviously. So, I had to go and dig out my lanterns. This one my brother Steve gave me years ago. I just finally broke it out of the plastic now. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, sorry about that. This one I stole from ex-husband number 1 because he didn't even know how to light it. Electricity's been out for a good 20 minutes or so. Got a candle there. Candle over there. Oh, I got one down there. But I need more light. So I'm going to have one out here, and out here in the living room, so I can bring it upstairs and whatnot. And yeah. Oh, be quiet, cat. Oh my God. Do I really need this in the kitchen? Seriously? Can't do anything in the damn kitchen anyways. So for now, well, I guess it'll be over here. I need light. A word to the wise. Candle holders. They're very helpful when the power goes out and, you need to light your candles. So, just making that point for future reference. Where'd the cat go? What are you doing? Here you go, Dale. Ha! Okay, that's my shitty fucking candle. For some reason I can't get the other two to frickin' go. So, I got any over here at work. Of course not, that would be asking too much. Okay, I know I got a cat around here somewhere. Okay. Oh, that's all snow on the window. Okay, it can stay there. Actually, lightage. That ain't gonna last long. Hey, kitty cat. Do I have any? No, I don't. Okay. And that's gonna go reset. Ugh, shucks.
Pushy buddies.
Here, truck. That's my neighbor. He lives across the street. Yeah. He usually drives like an asshole. And today he's actually driving normal. Why? Because I have a camera and he knows it. It's a rat dog barking at me. It's in a window. It's like it thinks it's a cat or something. Oh, nobody totally unburied Vavo over here. Yeah, I don't feel very safe. Pay attention to your driving there, Vavo. They're looking at me. That's Jefferson Street South and northbound. Russell Street. Yeah, watch out for flooding ice. Oh God. Loser. I think must think he's gonna be famous or something or in a movie. Not that right. It's running a perfect image of a perfectly good car. No, a perfectly fine automobile. Dish is in a bad spot. Somebody gets stuck. Not sure if you can hear it whining out, but he gets stuck.